Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Maryam, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time seeing me. Today's video, I am reviewing the new IluvSarahii X Colourpop Through My Eyes collab collection. You can expect a full, thorough review, a tutorial on this look that you see here, and of course, a verdict. The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth on whether this baby and these lippies are worth your time and your money. I hope you are subscribed already. If not, then hit it and let's do this. Let's get to this review, tutorial, and okay guys, I am so ready to put this palette to the test. Just because Karen's my friend does not mean that she is immune to my criticism. I love saying that. This is what the palette looks like. Through My Eyes, IluvSarahii X Colourpop. Ooh. Here are the colors, 16 beautiful shades, very holiday appropriate. This was a holiday collection palette. There's a ton of really nice Christmassy looking colors like this green emerald shimmery shade and all these cool red green-esque mattes. Kind of like me and my outfit and my background today. Obviously, I am going to be conducting some swatches. I will be calling in Lily for that. This palette was a holiday collection palette. It is available currently on ColourPopCosmetics.com. This collab collection was released just in time for the holidays, so it is still currently available. The palette is $23, includes 16 shades, both matte and shimmer. There was also a lip bundle, which was $16 or $6 per lip product. An entire collection bundle is $39, and the one time that I actually threw away my PR box, which included a kaleidoscope that I still have, by the way, the one time I did this, they're actually selling it. They're selling the whole entire PR bundle. If you're one of those people who is always asking me, hey, how do I get that kit, which I am not showing today, this is how you get it. You go to ColourPopCosmetics.com and you purchase it for 50 bucks. It will include this palette right here, these three lippies right here, plus it'll include the entire PR package with the kaleidoscope. Now you can probably tell I've dipped into some of these shadows a couple of times before. I have had it on my hands for a couple of weeks now. It is a really nice palette. I do like it, but I haven't gotten a chance to review it for you guys. I want to do that today. I want to conduct some swatches. I need my swatch model. Here we have the first shade, Lucido. Ooh! Next one is Wild Soul. That looks really pretty. Mesmerize. That's freaking pretty. Holy sh. Next one is Sandalwood. Next we have In a Wink, Euphoric. Wow, that's a solid one. Next shade, why don't you pronounce them?
Canela?
Canela. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Next we have
Lomo.
Lomo, like FOMO. All right, next we have Emerald Dream.
Nice color.
Wow. Where's the tajin? Next we have Muse. Here we have Divina. Next we have Flex. Go ahead, Lee. Flex. Nostalgia. A little sweaty there, buddy.
Sorry. Back from the gym.
Here we have Moody. Nocturne. Wow. And last but not least, we got, I don't even know if I can do this. We got Misbehave. Oh my God. Wow.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay. That's actually really pretty.
Nice colors, yeah.
Yeah, really nice colors.
Wow, that was a mission. Oh my God, I hate swatches with a passion. All right, so now that we've done that, now let's put together this look. My lids are already primed, are they? Because there's a little crease right there. Let me reprime them real quick. I'm just gonna use this NARS Tinted Smudge Proof eyeshadow base in light. I'm gonna blend that out with my fingers. Next, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, Morphe M502. Boom. I'm gonna dip into this yellowish color called Wild Soul. Gonna start out right here in my outer corner and just drag it along the shape of my eye socket. There's a good yellow in a palette. Immediately, I'm drawn to it. I wanna take a more tapered brush and pick up Euphoric. Gonna apply that right under just to kind of intensify the yellow. Very summery. Definitely taking this palette with me to Puerto Rico. Gonna go back with that Wild Soul for a hot sec and just blend that out. Muy nice. Oh, I definitely want to go for a little bit of that Misbehave. Let's dip this M574 brush into it. Right there. right there. I see it, it's coming through. And I gotta say, this one so far is really delivering. And for $23, you guys, I mean, that's a steal. So now we're gonna go in a slightly different direction. I'm gonna pick up this purple shade Divina, and I'm gonna add it right here to the outer portion of my lid, blending in with the previous shades. Okay, that's looking good. At this point, I'm not really so much worried about the blend on the inner portion, really only concerned with the blend on the outer portion. I am going to cut my center lid crease. I'm just gonna pat this NARS eyeshadow base right here to the top of my eye socket, and then I'm gonna kind of drag it down like that. And I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I figured out what I actually wanna do with this look, I'm gonna pick up this tiny little brush and a little bit of this shimmery cranberry shade called Nocturne, and I'm gonna apply that all over this movable lid, going all the way to this border here. The shadow is very soft and very pigmented, but it also has a little bit of fallout. So if you're worried about that, just put a tissue under your eye. And then for the center of the lid, I'm gonna take a little bit of Mesmerize. Ooh, this shade is so beautiful. And I'm gonna stamp a bit more sparkle with just my finger. Now for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm gonna use this shade, just like this. I'm gonna pick up a brown gel waterproof liner, and I'm gonna line my waterline as well as the edge of my lower lash line. So kind of where the lashes grow. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this shade, Canela, which is a brown with some silvery sort of flecks. I'm gonna smudge that right below my lower lash line and connect to that outer portion. And then with a tiny little precision brush, this one is Sigma L06. I'm gonna pick up this purple shade, Divina, and I'm just gonna push it right into the lash line. And just for a little pop of emerald, I'm gonna pick up this Emerald Dream shadow, and I'm gonna kind of tilt my head back a little bit, looking straight into my mirror. I'm gonna place that very precisely right underneath my iris. Iris is the brown part of my eye, right? I hope so. So just like that, I want it to be kind of just peeking through. And I think just a hint of this makes this look less Christmassy and more just artistic, creative glam. For my lashes, Better Than Sex Mascara Waterproof. I'm thinking Tarte. I got these two in the mail the other day that are really cute. This one's called Wifey. I've worn it a couple times. Very flattering, especially for Asian or almond shaped eyes like mine. And this one is Lights Camera Lashes. Definitely a little bit more on the dramatic side. I'll plop one of these on and I'll be right back. Decided to go with Wifey for my look today. I wanted to show you how they actually flatter almond Asian eyes. Okay. Moving right along. We have 3 lippies that I still need to swatch. I'm gonna spare Lee's arms. Let's start with the gloss. Ooh, here we have the first shade. It's called Glass Lip. Peachy base with some gold and silver sparkles. Next we have Dulcet, which is a matte liquid lip. It's kind of a peachy brick, I would say. And now moving on to my favorite color of the bunch. And this nude is called Sueo De Coco. Excuse my awful swatches. I'm trying to do this in the mirror. I think this lippy will be prettier than this lippy with this look. You know what, that's fine. Let's go for something different. I would typically always go for nude for this look, but I think this one's just gonna look a little bit more appropriate. Dulcet it is. I am generally not a huge fan of Colourpop lippies. I find them to be very inconsistent. Some of them are really great quality, others are just really terrible quality, like they crack and they peel, but they definitely do better for their influencer collabs. Okay, pretty, but a little mature on me, so I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of that nude just to freshen it up a bit, you know? You know what? I'm really not liking the way that that's looking together. I should have just left it alone. All right, this is what we're gonna do to fix the situation. I am gonna apply my Chestnut Lip Liner by Laura Mercier all over my lips. And then I'm gonna go for Sueo De Coco because that is the color that I initially wanted to apply. I should have listened to my gut. It's just so fresh and it's so dewy. And yes, it is the safer choice. But you know what? I'm gonna amp it up just a bit with this ultra glossy lip in Glass Lip. Gonna add that just to the bottom and only to the center. That is really pretty. So now I'm gonna spray a bit of Fix Plus. Guys, it's hot. I'm gonna pick up a bit of this Highlight and Glow from Bobbi Brown. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh, also a beautiful palette too. I'm gonna add that to the back of my cheekbone. All right, so let me get myself together and I will be back with my final verdict and with my final look. I put on this hat because after wearing it the other day, I was thinking to myself, who am I channeling? Is it Janet? Is it Selena? And then after seeing this look together and after putting this hat on, I realized it hit me. I am channeling Karen. Karen loves these hats. She wears them all the time. I know they're very 90s and they're back and everyone is wearing them. But with this makeup look on my face, I just had to pull out the hat. Karen's IluvSarahii X Colourpop Through My Eyes Collab Collection is 100% worth your time and money. This palette is stunning. There are so many beautiful shades in here. Very Christmassy, very holiday appropriate, but also very summery and very universal for any occasion. Perfect for a vacation, which I'm about to take it on. I hope you guys get your hands on it. Totally think it's worth it. I think it's a steal, actually. Not only that, I am also a huge fan of this liquid lip right here. For $6, Sueo De Coco, you cannot go wrong, honey. Also, if you get a chance to pick up this gloss called Glass Lip, don't pass up this chance. Or if you are a lover of coral brick sort of tones, this one for $6 is gonna be up your alley. There you have it. Here is my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Congratulations, Colourpop and Karen, you guys killed this one. And by the way, if you didn't see some of my other reviews of Karen's other collabs, of Colourpop's other collabs, then check them out right here, you guys. What are you waiting for? I will see you in the next one. The longest outro ever. I love you guys. Mwah.